Alright.
We've got some new toys.
Ready for the new toy experience? Who needs a new toys when you have my phone case to chew on? What's that? Oh.
Here you go.
Oh, it's a spooky.
It's spooky.
New things are spooky.
Baby.
Are new things spooky, baby?
We have your paw. Would you like to just do your spins right now? Please stop trying to steal my glasses. Please, oh, bless you.
What is it?
It's a spooky.
It's a spooky.
It's okay. You don't have to do anything. Okay.
We can just do spins.
You want to just do spins?
Yeah.
You want to do spin?
One. Two. Three. Four. Five.
Is that enough?
We'll
Oh,
do.
we did 6.
And a bonus spin.
We did 6. Good job.
It's a spooky.
There's spooky. There's new things.
Yeah.